Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. A life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
It just might be a swear, just might be a
Alright, so we're all done with this section. Now we're done with the front portion of it. And now we're gonna move on to this side.
don't waste a day gone. What am I missing? Ain't like a game or from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me at the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Love is a losing game, so I just might be yours.
Must think my mind is doing la-dee-da-dee. I know that you have bodies, have the bodies. I signed up when I called you round.
okay. We gon' keep it paid.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit.
Alright, y'all, so we officially had finished the front, and then we did a little bit of cornrows in the back, and now we're just gonna finish this side. And the whole braiding down process is basically done after I'm done with this, and we're just gonna do the little twiddly-lees on the wig.
But I don't need you. 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 But
That we're officially done with the braid down. This is the wig, y'all. My Shayla. And this is the lace, like it's literally off. And I'm not gonna lie, I might just dye it black. Anyways, oh my god, my money. This was a good lace, y'all. It was a nice, quick and simple, glueless wig. Okay. Y'all. This shit tight as fuck. Hold on. Woo. Okay. Put this on. Have these clips with the silver clip. One of them. So this is how it's looking. I crocheted majority of it into a braid. And now I'm just gonna revive this shit again. And then put some moisturizer to actually lock in it.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one good step, one good step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. You're trying to leave this. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. You're trying to leave this. just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight.
Alright, y'all. This is the finished look, Kiana. I think it eats. I feel like this style was very easy. I only really focused on the front, and then I didn't really care about the back, and cut my wig for the half wig. But I wouldn't cut a wig that's good, clearly. But yeah, I feel like this is a great investment. If your wig is old and the lace is just fucked up, just cut that bitch off and do this hairstyle. Thank me later. But yeah. Alright, with that being said, I know the real ones made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe with your friends, family, folks, hoes, get the episodes, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.